Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and new video. How to fix you need the official WhatsApp login problem. Don't worry, I will solve it. At first, tap and hold WhatsApp, click on uninstall, click on OK. Now WhatsApp is uninstalled and go to your Play Store, search bar, search for WhatsApp, click on update, just wait and log in your WhatsApp. Now again fix this issue. Okay, go to your any browser, search for WhatsApp support, click on contact WhatsApp, click on contact us and fill up the form. Okay, click on next step. Your appeal is from fill up. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.